Good afternoon, guys. My name is James with Sandy Hook Yachts. Today I'm standing in front of this 2025 Regal 33 OBX. We're gonna jump up and take a look. On the back here of the 33 OBX, the first thing you're gonna see is that the boat's powered with twin Yamaha 300s. The boat cruises at around 30 miles an hour at 3,500 RPMs. Also on the back here, you have these really nice oversized swim platforms on each side of the engines with boarding ladders, making it really easy to jump off the back of the boat, swim around the back, and climb back onto the swim platform. In the cockpit here of the 33, we have this really nice oversized L-shaped seating with storage all underneath it. This section of the L-shaped seating, actually the backrest folds back and turns this section into an aft-facing sunbed, and then under this whole aft section is the signature Regal storage garage. You lift this up with an actuator. You could put beach chairs, electric scooters, anything you needed for a longer trip out on the water. Under the hardtop here, across from the L-shaped seating, you have a really nice wet bar. Here you'll have your electric Kenyan grill, freshwater sink, isothermic fridge, and then a big storage cabinet here as well. Another really nice feature to point out that Regal did on this 33 is how they house this electric shade. A lot of the manufacturers either bolt them directly on top of the T-top or they're kind of crudely embedded in. Regal's made this nice fiberglass lip here to kind of hide it and enclose it, making sure it's out of the way. Up at the helm here for the 33 OBX, what's really nice is you have a double captain's chair, so you and your wife or you and a child can sit here as you're operating the boat. You'll have all of your manual controls here, all your switching for your nav lights, your horns, your pumps. Trim tabs here. All Regals come standard with the Yamaha joystick. You also have a bow thruster on this boat. You'll have equipped with Fusion stereo, and there's 8 speakers throughout the boat. Garmin VHF, as well as the Yamaha autopilot feature. Up on the bow here for the 33, you'll see you have 2 really nice deep set loungers, one in front of the driver, one in front of the passenger. If you lift up the bow lounger in front of the driver, it'll reveal a quarter berth that you can duck in to get out of the sun, or it's another extra large storage locker. All right, guys, thanks for taking a tour on the Regal 33 OBX. If you're interested in this model or any of the other models we have for sale, you can reach out to sales@sandyhookyachts.com or follow us on all social media platforms.